Namaste, मेरा नाम Yem है. Hello everyone, this is Yam. I've started this channel to report Japanese stuff to my friends in India. Today, I'd like to introduce Japanese vending machines. This is another kinda controversial topic. If you walk on a street in Japan, you'll find many vending machines. Japan is like a heaven of vending machines. Usually, vending machines are for soft drinks, but there are special vending machines in Japan. This is a vending machine for alcohol. Soft drinks. And this one is for cigarettes. I believe some sort of ID is required nowadays. But I remember that I used to buy cigarettes from a vending machine for my father when I was a little boy. In those days, no ID was required. The Japanese vending machine culture is quite surprising, isn't it? See you next time. Dhanyawad.